Hello, and I'm going to be talking about factorization. Factorization is taking a common factor out of an expression and putting the brackets around the remainder of the expression. I'll show you an example here with this first question. Factorize 2x plus 1. If you don't know what factors are they're opposite to your multiples. So for example, 2 and 3 would be a factor of 6 because 2 times by 3 equals 6, just like how 1 and 6 is also a factor of 6. Same way how 12, 15, 10, 20, 30 are all factors of 60, because when they're multiplied by other factors, other numbers, they multiply by other numbers which are to get to 60, and those other numbers they multiply are also factors. So just like how 30 is a factor of 60, 2 is also a factor of 60. Just like how 10 is a factor of 60, 6 is also a factor of 60, so on and so forth. So here, factor of 2, but it's also a factor of 10. So we can take that out because that's what those 2x and 10 have in common. This is 2x plus 10 factorised is 2 bracket x plus 5, because when you multiply it back out you get 2x plus 10. That's what you get. When you expand the bracket, that's what you get this. That's why. Let's try another example. 8x minus 2. 2 is the common factor in both of these numbers. Therefore 2 will be the one that will be taken out of the bracket. So what would you multiply by 2 to get to 8x? 4x. What would you multiply by 2 to get minus 2? Minus 1. So you put the 4x minus 1 in the brackets. Now people have their preferences, got my words jumbled up. They have their preferences. Some people prefer to factorize, and some people like to expand out brackets. If you're good with your factors, factorizing can be a breeze. But it's just all about knowing your factors, just other than your multiples. It's also good to know your factors as well. Here we have a question like this. Okay, x squared plus 3x. As you can see, the common factor is x. That's what's in both of these. That's what's in both the x squared as well as in the 3x. Therefore, you take the x out of both of these terms. So what you'd multiply x by x to get x squared, and what would you multiply by x to get 3x? You'd multiply by 3. Therefore, x squared plus 3x factorizes x, bracket x plus 3, close bracket. When you're factorizing, remember to close bracket. You can lose marks when you don't close your brackets. So make it a good habit. When you open a bracket, make sure you close it. Always. And here's a final one. As you can see, it's got two different variables. It's got an x and a y, whereas a 7xy plus 21y. You can already see that 7 is goes both into 7xy as well as it goes into 21y. But can you spot the second variable that's common? Let's see. So we already can spot the 7. So we're going to take the 7 out of the 7xy, and we're going to take the 7 out of the 21y. You'd think you're finished now, wouldn't you? Nope, you're not. You're not finished. You're missing one step. You can factorise one more time. Because if you can look in the brackets, you can see both terms have a common y in it. Therefore, that y can also come out with the brackets along with the 7. Therefore, 7xy plus 21y factorise is 7y bracket x plus 3 close bracket. And that is how you factorise expressions. Thank you and goodbye.